Whoa. Oh. Wow. Nice. Valentine's gifts. Valentine food. Thank God I won't send that spanner out. That boy can give me a headache in this house. Oh! Let me start from this one.
That place we send me the this thing, no. The guy know there.
No.
I know the guy did, but the money we say I go collect. She told me say I go collect 8,550 naira. But the guy tell me say 815 naira. Now waiting the money be that. So me I come dey surprised. I say make I rush come back, come tell you. But the guy say they come out now, like this. The guy said they come out, but I go still go there again. Go do this thing. Go tell them because that money is very much important for you. Boss. Everyone had to go. Many people for that place, they try to stop me because I don't enter the man's house. I don't know, right now my boss told me. I just know my boss. They don't even know who's on me. Do you know who's on me? You don't know. That's what you do. The way the man took out because of that money. I'm going to cross main road. Look to one pass. You nearly jam me. Toyota. The wrong speed. I can't jam. You want jam me? No, because I have to trust I am. Well, I want to collect that money. I want to get that money, this bag, the food. So the guy has to tell me, he's going to tell me, what is the thing where bring the thing?
Hey.
The guy going to try to do the nothing. The one the run. When they come to look at wait. I don't like. You know my uncle the bill. That one. I'll do them. You didn't know who's on you. The man fella was leaving them. The man was going to beg me. Don't beg me. No, my back to me.
Hey.
Sorry.
Spanner. Hey! Spanner!
Okay.
You say motor be one jam you.
Toyota.
Trailer will jam you today. If trailer will not jam you, call me bastard. Spanner!
Okay.
I was eating gently here. I was even happy that you're not around. I even send you, may go bring money for me. You came back empty-handed. And you're giving me stories and you finish my food and my bread.
Okay, you know say wetin that man do vex me. And you know as I vex.
Spanner, you are going to die today.
No.
You are going to die today.
No, I will still go collect the money. Just to refuel myself so that
Spanner.
No wait, okay.
Where is my food?
You there for quorum.
Which room? Oh, this is the room.
It's safe.
Wow. Beautiful room.
Okay, because
Ide go.
It's cool.
Ide go.
It's cool.
Hey, vomit out. Hey, vomit out. Vomit out. Vomit out. Vomit out. Vomit out. You don't enter. Vomit out. You don't enter. Vomit out.